Last August, a federal district court set aside the Federal Trade Commission's rule banning non-competes. The FTC recently halted its appeals of that ruling and a similar decision, likely signaling the abandonment of a federal ban. However, in the absence of a federal non-compete ban, there has been a growing trend among states to limit or prohibit the use of non-competes. Here's a quick update on those efforts. 4 U.S. states, California, Minnesota, North Dakota, and Oklahoma, have enacted comprehensive bans on non-competes, with very limited exceptions such as in connection with the sale of a business. Several other states have passed laws restricting non-competes, including Colorado, Illinois, Maine, Maryland, Rhode Island, and Washington. Wyoming recently joined that list, banning non-competes except in certain cases, such as non-competes with executive and management personnel, in the sale of business context, or to protect trade secrets. As of now, it is unclear how broadly courts will interpret those exceptions. Virginia also recently expanded its restrictions on non-competes, prohibiting their use for all non-exempt employees. The previous law only restricted their use for low-wage employees. Both Wyoming and Virginia's laws will go into effect in July 2025. Additionally, several states and municipalities have pending legislation to restrict non-competes. States with proposed restrictions include Illinois, Massachusetts, Michigan, New York, Rhode Island, and Wisconsin. In New York, there are multiple bills in the state legislature that would impose broad restrictions on the use of non-competes. These legislative efforts underscore a movement among states toward restricting non-competes. Employers should continue to monitor legal developments regarding non-competes and consider reviewing their non-compete agreements to ensure compliance with applicable law, especially as some states require certain language or notices even where non-competes may be enforceable. Feel free to contact a member of our team if you have questions about non-competes or if you have any other labor and employment-related questions.